Hey guys, Viseart, and today we are doing a monochromatic makeup look featuring the color pink. Well, I have most of my palettes out that have a particularly nice pink shade in them, so I will be using all of these, more or less, to make this look up today. So if you want to see, then just keep watching. So I finished all the non-pink stuff, and I did do my under eyes because, I mean, you know. So now we're gonna get into putting some glitter or whatnot on top of my lids to kind of finish off the look. I kind of do love this all matte though. I wish you guys were like live so you could tell me what you think. Should I add glitter or should I leave it? Because like I said, I kind of love the matte pink going on. But this is supposed to be like a fun pink video, so we're just gonna do a pink glitter. And we're gonna use Spectre from the Moondust Urban Decay palette. Although Element, which is right next to it, is really pretty too, but it's, oh, okay, we're doing Element, because it's like a corally pink, but it's still pink, so we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna use my glitter glue. And we're going to hope I don't get it all over the rest of my face. Oh, this is so gem in the holograms. Okay. It's a good choice. It was a good choice. We'll put a little bit of the lighter one right here. I hate myself sometimes. And can I just tell you guys, this Urban Decay Moondust palette is highly underestimated. Like, I don't see anybody ever talk about this. I saw Emily Noel talk about it in her last video of declutters, but she decided to keep it because she realized how amazing it is. I don't even know if it's still available, but ugh. With glitter glue, I mean, these things are just, shades are just insane. All right, let's go in with blush now, and I have the NYX blush in Pinched. And I figure it's a mostly pink color. It kind of reminds me of NARS Orgasm. Most of my blushes are like coral, but this is pretty much pink, but with just like a slight golden sheen to it. I also have a pink highlighter. Not super thrilled about using, but this is an all pink tutorial. We'll buff that out a little bit. Alright, and for the pink highlighter, we are going to use this Makeup Revolution Light and Glow Chocolate Bar Palette Duo. And I'm going to use the pink highlighter on this side. And we're going to use the Morphe R36 brush. Oh, it kind of goes with this blush perfectly. And we're going to use one of my favorite pink liquid lipsticks, and it's the Kat Von D in Rubens. This color is just size amazing. I've messed up. And there we go. You know what? I kind of want to do a little more pink blush. I do. And you know what? I want to even go more of a pink blush. Let's do Wet n Wild Fantastic Plastic Pink. Is that what it is? Yeah. Loving it. Alright guys, so what do you think? This is the finished look. I think it came out very fun. I will list everything that I used in the description box below, and it's up to you to pick my next monochromatic face look. Do you want to do green, blue? I'm gonna say no to yellow because first off, I don't have all the yellow stuff. So anything except yellow. And that was it. Let me know what you guys think of this video, this look, and oh, I wanted to actually mention, if any of you want to try this color but you don't want to pay like 20 bucks for it, go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx and look for the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks that they have there now, and get the color in Karina or Rio. They're both insanely close. Or the ColourPop color in Mucho. Very close, very, very close. Alright guys, so that was it. Make sure you check out my other videos. And I have another giveaway coming up soon, so keep an eye out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.